Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pass objects to a function as an argument. I have a class car, and we have 3 car objects. Each car has a model, year, and color. How could passing objects to a function be useful? I need a function to display all of the information for each car. So let's create a function. Function, and we could name this displayInfo. If we're accepting an object as an argument, we need a matching set of parameters. I think we should just name it simply car, all lowercase. Remember, when you pass an object to a function, the parameter name is kind of like a nickname that you're giving it temporarily. Then to invoke this function, I will type the function name, displayInfo, and pass a car object as an argument. I would like to display car1's info. Within this function, let's display this car's model, year, and color. Car.model, year, and color. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah! With this car object, the model is a Mustang, the year is 2023, the color is red. We can pass a different object as an argument this time. How about car2? displayInfo car2. Car2 is a Corvette, the year is 2024, and the color is blue. Then car3 is a Lambo, the year is 2022, and the color is yellow. Let's create another function to maybe change the color of a car, and we will have 2 parameters. Function changeColor, we will accept a car object and a color. We will take car.color, set this equal to whatever color we receive as an argument. Let's change the color of our Lambo. So I will invoke the changeColor function, and I will pass in 2 arguments, a car and a color. Car3, and let's change the color to gold, and then display it. And the color of our Lambo is now gold and not yellow. That's how to pass an object to a function. When you invoke a function, just pass the name of an object as an argument, and with the parameter name, just find a name of what's descriptive of what you're accepting as an argument. So that's how to pass objects as arguments. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, please be sure to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.